can't see. This is Black Beauty. Welcome to my family. Smiles and laughter sharing with you. A happy place where dreams come true.
Okay, alright. Ito na mga kamami, mga ka-beauty. Ito ang ating easy way of doing a dessert. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta pa sa Cakeland or Goldilocks para makabili ng matamis, mga minatamis or dessert. Ayan, sa bahay nyo lang ay meron na yan. Meron tayo mga ingredients dito is cornstarch, fresh milk, cocoa powder, and vanilla. Pagsamasamahin lang po ang lahat ng ingredients and ayan. And ating haluin ng mabuti. Lalagyan po natin siya ng honey para sa konting tamis. Wala po tayong nilagay na sugar dyan, guys, ha? Ayan. And ating mekos-mekos na dyan. Mekos-mekos 2, mekos-mekos 3 hanggang maging ang texture niya is very soft na. Continuous mixing lang po until the texture is soft and smooth. So after nga po na natin na mix ang very smooth, ayan, we will put now on the fire. The fire is just very slow fire lang, guys. Very slow fire lang po, and mix thoroughly. Dire-diretso lang po natin ng mix niya hanggang siya ay maging malapot. And ilalagyan po natin ang ulit ng cocoa powder.
This is my vibe, this is my flow. Black beauty shining everywhere I go. Feel the joy, let your worries fade. Vacation dreams and the plans I made. Dance with the wind, laugh with the sea. This is the life, this is me. Peace of a mind, let it all unwind. Black beauty vibes, leave the stress behind.
Yun na nga po, lumapot na nga po siya, guys. At ito po ay kailangan natin isalain para po mas ang kalabasan ng ating mousse. Chocolate mousse is very soft. Ayan, kasi may mga buo-buo pa po yan. Kaya kailangan natin talaga siyang salain.
Hey yeah, Black Beauty official flow. Hey, sabay-sabay tayong maanad. Let's go! Sa bawat araw na ating ginising, may kwento ng buhay na gustong sabihin. Pagkain, saya, aral ng mundo, overview man o saan man naroon tayo. Sa hirap at saya, magkasama, hindi nag-isa, may kasama ka. Sa likod ng kamera, may pusong totoo, handang umunawa, handang
So here na nga guys ang ating nasala na ating mixture ingredients para sa ating chocolate mousse, ready to put on the refrigerator. Lagay lang po natin siya sa refrigerator for about an hour. Ayan. And then we will wait for 1 hour. And then, ayan na po ang ating chocolate mousse. So yummy and smooth. Watching. If you like my videos, guys, let's go here to Blackberry Official Vlog. And this is an entertainment, a food, and cooking, and learning in life. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe mga kapatid.